Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are learning the color sampler tool. Its shortcut is I. This tool provides the information about a sample color and you can use that information in your design. You can take a sample color by a single click over a part of the image. You just have to click on the color you want. Then it will add a color picker point and will pin it. It will be numbered as 1, means it is the first color sample we picked. And simultaneously, the info tab pops up which shows the first color sampler pin as #1. Here you can see the color information in RGB value which we can use in our future project. Let's click again to add a second color sampler pin. And the info tab shows this as #2 and collects the RGB value of the pixel we clicked on. In this way, you can pick maximum 10 samples at a time. Not more than that. The info tab is expanded to show the detailed information of all the 10 samples. If you want to move a color sampler pin, place the cursor inside the circle. The cursor icon changes. Then click and drag wherever you want. Here you can see the real-time position and color values changes. This part of the tab shows the real-time values and this part shows the permanent values. Suppose you want to delete a color sampler. For that, place the cursor inside the circle. The cursor icon changes. Then press Alt key and click. And the sampler is removed. If you want to remove all the color sampler pins at a time, then press Clear All at the top. You can see all the samplers are deleted by a single click. Again, I pick a sample from here. The color information here is in RGB mode. We can change the color mode by clicking here. Tracks sampled color values. Choose one of the mode. I choose CMYK and the color information changed into CMYK mode. Here you can see the coordinate value of the cursor position. We can change its unit by clicking this plus button, that is, tracks cursor coordinates. Inches is the default unit. Choose the unit that suits your project. I select centimeters and the unit is now set to centimeters. The sample size options here work similarly as for eyedropper tool. We have already discussed these options in tutorial 10. You can check it out there. That's all we have for the class today. See you next time.